Hi YouTube, this is Betty and I'm here to share with you guys my monthly project for Pinspiration 2020. This collaboration is hosted by Creations by Kimber, and basically all of the collaborators, we come on once a month, the last Saturday of the month, and we just share our projects that we had from one of our Pinterest pins. So I'm going to leave a link below so you guys can follow everyone that is in the collaboration and see what they have created for you guys, inspiration today. So what you see before you are some of the products that I used to create my project. So I use my circle punch, and this is, not sure what brand, oh, Fiskars. Here it is right here. Fiskars circle punch, and then I use my scallop punch, and this is Paper Shapers scallop punch, and then I use my Tim Holtz small talk little words or sentiments there. I use this, and then I'll share the paper pads that I use as I share my project. So I'm getting ready to insert a photo. Okay, so you see there the photo, and I'm just going to call these little circle embellishments. I saw these, I had this pen on my embellishment board, and I thought it was super cute and something easy to try out. And I had fun creating some for my stash. They were so easy, you guys, and they will be perfect to include as embellishments on your projects. So let me share the first batch that I made, and I used this paper right here. This is called Happy Days by Echo Park. So I used that, and I created these cute little circle embellishments. So I think they turned out super cute. And I just added some glitterific onto mine because I love sparkle and shine. And so I don't know if you can see that right there, but I added some glitterific. I had these cute little apple buttons in my stash, so I thought that would be cute to include that. I felt they match the pattern paper. So this is how this turned out. And these would be really great to create a lot of these and have these in your stash. They would be cute, super cute to layer on top of a rosette. And that's how I think I plan on using mine. I'll create some rosettes and just place this right on top of that to add an extra layer. And that will be super cute. This can be a school theme projects, or a, just a fun summer theme as well. So this is cute. I like how this turned out. So I did quite a few of these. These are, pretty much the same. I have some with glitter, some without. This one I included the little Tim Holtz little words. And it says, and so the adventure begins. This would be a really cute school project to include on the school project. Here's one right here. Oh, that's the same. This one right here. And I put on here, challenge yourself. So for the ones that I put the sentiment, my ideal is to use these well, once school gets back in session for some school projects. So I thought that was cute. And I think that's all of the ones I created in that. So those were the first little batch I created. I think those turned out super cute. Okay, so the next set of little circle embellishments I created, I used this paper stack right here. This is by American Crafts, I think it is. Yeah, American Crafts. And so I created these cute little circle embellishment. And I wanted to do something a little different. Instead of using a button, I had these little girls' barrettes in my stash. And I just cut off the backs and just put it right here in the center of this little embellishment. And I think they turned out super cute. I love the bright colors. These can be included on some fun summer projects, summer themed projects. So these are some of the ones that I created. I think they turned out so cute. And these are so quick and so fun to make. You can just make a heap of these and keep them in your stash and pull them out, you know, when you need a quick embellishment for your projects. So there's one right here, and I think that's cute. And this little bread, I think is just cute. I've had these in my stash for so long, you guys, and I finally got a chance to break out and use them. So those are those set little circle embellishments. Here's some more here. I just went to town, you guys, because it's so quick and so fun and so easy. So that's how these turned out. Okay. So the next set of embellishments, I use this paper stack right here. This is the Simple Stories. So I use that, and this is how those turned out. I included some glitterific on the edges. So I created 3 of those. And here's the last one. And I added a little word onto this one, faith and hope. So I think these turned out super cute. All right, moving right along. I used this paper stack for the next set of little circle embellishments. This is the Authentique, and this is called Sweetness. Okay. And this is how those turned out. I had this cute button in my stash, and I added some hemp cord inside of that button there in the hole, buttonhole. And I included some glitterific. So that's how these turned out. I created 3 of those. Here I included a blue button. And you can kind of see on this paper it has like a little ice cream sundae. And I wanted to bring out the brown tones from the back paper, the circle. That's why I used the brown hemp cord. And then on this one I used the chocolate button. So those turned out so cute. And let's see what else. Next I used this paper stack right here by Kaiser Craft. And this is called the Kaleidoscope. And I just had these cute buttons in my stash. I thought these were fun. So this is what I came up with, and I put one of those little sentiments there. Keep life simple. And this one here. Thought that was cute with the little piano. Okay, and then lastly, I used this paper stack. This is called Lime Twist. This is by My Mind's Eye. I have had these paper pads in my stash for so long, and it feels so good to get them out and actually use them. So I wanted to create some fun little kidsy little embellishments, particularly geared towards boys, because I don't have a lot of boy things in my stash. So this is what I came up with. This says, today is all about you. And I had this cute little button in my stash. I have a lot of buttons, you guys, so it felt good to also bust out these buttons and use them. Look at this fun little creature here. And I added some glitterific. And then this one right here, I put one of the sentiments, you're my favorite monster. I thought this was really cute. And like I said, I have so many fun buttons in my stash. And this is a great way to bust out and use a lot of those buttons in your stash. This one says, good things come in small packages. So I thought that was cute. So those are my circle embellishments that I created. You guys, this was super fun to do. And super quick, and you can just whip up a lot of these and have them in your stash ready to go. And you can add them on top of rosettes, or you can put another circle or scallop circle on the back as an extra layer, and just have fun playing around with all your different paper patterns, and see what you can come up with. So this is what I have for this month for the Pinspiration collaboration, and I appreciate you guys stopping by. Make sure you also check out all the collaborators and open up the description box below. And as always, make sure you do something with love and passion. Bye.